Alright, ngayon naman mga boss, alam niyo ba na ngayon parating na Oktubre gaganapin ang 27th Global Excellence Award. Ano nga ba ito at sino-sino ang mga paparangalan dito? Kaya ngayong umaga, makakasama natin ang isang kilalang consumers and family welfare advocate, gayon na rin ang founding chairman ng Asia Pacific Awards Council and ng National Consumer Affairs Foundation. Walang iba kundi si Sir Jake Navea. Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
At syempre kasama rin po natin ngayon mga boss, si Miss Emma Cordero, isang multi-awarded Asian Filipino entertainer at nagkataon din na recipient ng naturang award para sa category na Entertainment and Humanitarian Service. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Okay, para rin po yan sa mga viewers natin from Japanese viewers natin. Okay, sir, so let's start briefly, sir. Ano po ba itong award-giving body na to?
Actually, ito pong pang 27th year na tong Global Excellence and Asian Achiever Award. At ito ay nagbibigay ng parangal sa katangi-tanging mga produkto at ating mga achievers, not only in the Philippines but also in other countries within the Asia Pacific region.
Asia Pacific region. So, sir, kayo ang founding chairman nito. Bakit niyo po naisipan na gawin to 27 years ago?
Meron po akong dito, yung associated founding director, si Dr. Seiji Kagawa. At ito po ay para ma-motivate ang ating mga quality products and companies as well as yung ating mga achievers na to maintain yung kanilang quality of achievements and also to further excel in their respective fields of endeavor.
Okay, sir. So, for almost 3 decades, ano yung usual na criteria na ginagawa niyong basis para syempre maparangalan yung iba't ibang companies?
Sa mga products and companies, of course, yung quality of their features and consumer satisfaction. At sa mga achievers naman, of course, ay yung kanilang significant achievements sa kanilang larangan.
Okay, so beside us now is of course the multi-awarded Asian Filipina entertainer, Miss Emma Cordero. So you are one of the awardees. Congratulations for that.
Thank you very much, Jake.
Okay, ma'am. So mananalo kayo. This coming October, no? You will be awarded because of Entertainment and Humanitarian Service. So let's focus on the humanitarian service. Ano po ba yung ginagawa niyo on this aspect?
Well, being as a International Lions Club member,
Yes.
hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pati sa ibang bansa, yung mga charity works ko for the less fortunate children,
Yes.
for their education.
Okay.
Yan.
So ano-anong projects yung ginagawa niyo, ma'am, pagdating sa mga children?
Nagpapaaral ako sa kanila for their education. Tapos, yung mga walang magulang, yung hindi nakakapag-aral, yan ang pinapaaral ko sa school ko.
Okay. May school kayo, ma'am?
Yes, at saka sa ibang school.
Okay, so how do you select the students?
Yung marunong, at saka yung responsibility sa kanyang pag-aaral, at saka yung alam ko na tutulungan niyang kanyang sarili.
Okay,
Yun.
so dapat talagang tutulungan nyo, tapos dapat yung tulungan niya rin sa sarili niya.
Kasi kung ako lang ang tutulong sa kanya, kung hindi niya tutulungan sa kanyang sarili, wala rin akong magagawa doon.
Yan, so reminder na rin yan sa mga boss natin na dapat two-way dapat lagi yung pagtulong. May responsibility din sila. Okay, let's go back to Sir Jake. So Sir Jake, 27 years ago, finound nyo to, itong organization na to. So this is based in the Philippines before?
Yes, based in the Philippines, and ang grupo namin ay Asia Pacific Awards Council.
Okay. So sir, ba't nyo naisipan na palawakin sa Asia Pacific region? Kasi di ba usually mo organizations dito, focus na Philippines. Pero dito sabi niyo sir kanina, meron kayong mga iba't ibang companies, even international companies na pinaparangalan ninyo. So ba't nyo sir naisip na lahat yun?
Ito ay para it's parang kumbaga more of promotion, nag-level up tayo to include all other Asian countries.
Okay.
Kumbaga, sa Pilipinas kasi, we're noted to be, world-class excellence. So, we include para naman ma-level up ang ating selection, not only in the Philippines but also in other Asian countries.
Okay. So, this coming October, sir, saan po gaganapin itong event na to?
Ito po ay October 16. It's Thursday sa Meralco Theater.
Meralco Theater. Tapos ilan po inaasahan nating mapaparangalan sa October?
Sa mga companies and products, we have 15, and sa ating mga achievers sa Filipino, halo-halo na ito, ay mga another 15. We have Korean, Japanese, of course, Filipino.
So talagang pupunta silang Philippines just for this
Ayun,
this
doon nga ako
event.
natutuwa. Talagang they give importance dun sa parangal na ginagawad natin sa kanila.
Okay, so talagang, kumbaga sir, good job daw dahil for the past 27 years
At
talagang
napopromote pa
kinikilala.
natin ang Pilipinas.
Yes, pero every year ba sir, lagi sa Pilipinas ginagawa?
Hindi po. Last year, it was held in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Minsan naman ho sa Thailand. At minsan sila nagbibigay sa amin ng imbitasyon kung saan namin gagawin eh.
Okay. So, sir, as we end our interview, meron po kayong film na ginagawa na pinaproduce. Siguro just invite our viewers.
Okay. Ito po ay isang educational at family-oriented film, ang Talo Tabla Panalo,
Okay.
na pinangunahan ng ating multi-awarded artist sila Herman Moreno, Eddie Garcia, at ang ating Mowel Fund President si Boots Anson Roa.
Alright.
Ito po ay pinapalabas kung fundraising ng mga eskwelahan at mga estudyante. Pwede nyo kami pong kontakin sa 0906-488-4787.
Okay.
Nandun yata. Naka-plug sa
Ayan,
poster
nakikita natin ngayon.
natin.
This is an educational and family-oriented movie. So sa lahat ng mga schools, administrators natin na nanonood na interested na ipalabas to sa school sila, kontakin na lamang kayo, sir.
It's about respect for the elders.
Okay, so good values yan. Okay, ma'am, final message po, especially to inspire other groups, especially to continue what they're doing, especially for the kids, for the
Yeah,
children.
thank you very much. Our Lady of Fatima de San Pedro School, our teachers, especially sa principal, thank you very much. And please watch my charity works on October 10. Thank you.
Okay, so let's all support that.
Charity concert.
Okay, congratulations again, ma'am, for being a recipient of this award. And of course, sir, congratulations din
Thank you
for
very
doing a
much,
good job
Jules.
for the past 27 years. Okay, so there we have it. Muli nakasama natin ang multi-awarded Asian Filipina entertainer and awardee rin ng naturang award. Walang iba kundi si Miss Emma Cordero at ang founding chairman ng Asia Pacific Awards Council and National Consumer Affairs Foundation. Walang iba kundi si Sir Jake Navea. Thank you so much for your time.